In this video, we are going to connect an Excel spreadsheet to a key result in Viva Goals, making it easier to automatically update that key result. If you recall, we created a company called Champion Consulting. We created an objective called Invest in Our All-Stars, and we have 4 key results. I'm going to connect the Establish ENPS key result to a spreadsheet. So to do this, you will need to have admin privileges to initially set up the connection, but once the connection is set up, you can have it set up so any user can leverage that. So I'm going to go to the admin section in Viva Goals. I'm going to come over here to where it says integrations. And one of the integrations that's been turned on for this Viva Goals instance, see my earlier video on how to do that, is Excel Online. And so I'm going to hit manage. I'm going to make a new connection. Currently there's no connections. And it's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my account. And then I'm going to create a connection name. And this is where you have the option to share that with all users in Viva Goals. So I'm going to go ahead and say next. And so now we have an integration with Excel. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you. I created a spreadsheet in the teams for Champion Consulting. And basically, we're just tracking by department the ENPS every month. And then we have a simple formula at the bottom that's just basically giving us the average, the rolling average of the last 12 months. And so what we want to connect the key result to is this number right here. So how do we do that? So we're going to go back to Viva Goals. We're going to go to our key result. And I'm going to hit the 3 dots for more options, and I'm going to edit. And from the edit, we're going to move to the progress and status. And down here where it says connect to a data source, we're going to click on the Excel Online icon. And so it's going to recognize the connection that we just set up, and it's going to ask us for which workbook do you want to connect to. And you'll see that it's connecting because I connected to my entire instance. It's showing me lots of different options. But at the very bottom is Champion Consulting, and it's the ENPS spreadsheet. Now this is, it's going to ask you for which sheet. We're going to say the first sheet. And this is a little bit basic, but it's going to say which column and which row do you want to connect to. We can also hit View Source. It's going to open that up for us, and we can see that E16 is what we're interested in. So I'm going to go back to Viva Goals, and I'm going to select column E, and I'm going to select row 16. And so it's going to actually show me the preview. That is the correct number. We're going to say next, and we're going to hit save. And now our key result for Establish ENPS is going to automatically update based on the connection to Excel. So it does take a few minutes to update. You can see here that it's actually already loaded it. One note, if you do need to update it quickly, you can actually click right here where the icon of Excel and the time is, and it's going to bring up a window that allows you to force it to sync right away. So if you're late for a meeting and you need to make sure that that's updated, you can go in there and actually click on it. I hope this has been helpful. There's a lot of different data sources that you can connect key results to. I'll put a link in the video below to some of those sources. And of course, if you're getting value out of this data, please click subscribe. We've got more videos coming up on Viva Goals.